What is the difference between loving someone and being a doormat? The first thing that you want to know about being a doormat is when you find that you're doing things for the other person because you're afraid of losing their love or their relationship or being judged, that is what leads to being a doormat. The doormat is someone that accepts any wrong things, abuse and disrespect, and continues to allow it. That's not love. That's fear. That's fear. So when we operate like that, we're operating in fear. When someone else is controlling your life or controlling the way you live, then they are not doing the right thing. And if you are afraid to speak up for yourself, that is what it means to be a doormat. Now, what about love? What is love then? Love is a choice to continue to desire the best for the other person and to also offer your services and your resources to help them, to bless them, regardless of how they respond, as long as they want it. It can look weird in the sense that, especially for relationships that are strong, like parent to children and spouses, when a person cheats on you, for example, as a spouse, and you choose to forgive them, that's not being a doormat, that's being loving. Now, unless the reason why you are staying is because you are afraid that you will not find somebody else, you are afraid that people will say you failed in your marriage, or whatever fear. If it is of fear, then you are tending towards being a doormat. But if it is from a choice to offer your friend, your partner, your child the best, regardless of the position that they are in right now, then that's not being a doormat. That is loving. Yeah, so that's the difference. A doormat has no choice. They yield because of fear of conflict, fear of rejection. They need to just do the right thing, just duty. Whereas a person who loves makes a choice and they act from a genuine desire for the other person's good. So love can be firm and still gentle, can put the right boundaries. And what do I mean by the right boundaries? You let the other person, or whoever is doing the wrong thing or being disrespectful, that I will not take that. That is not what I would stand for. Without raising their voices, without trying to harm or punish, but still saying, I won't engage with that, I won't take that. How then does a person articulate their dislike of what somebody else is doing in a loving way? We mention and articulate properly that what you're doing is hurting me, but it's going to hurt you more because I cannot serve you and be a blessing to you if you continue to do this. And that's how we articulate our dislike and articulate what's going to happen if it continues. And we can do that with gentleness and calmness. Now, the truth is, most times we're not able to say what we want until we're really angry. So that's not how love works. What love does is build that confidence such that you're able to speak even when you're not angry. If you are dealing with this in your marriage right now, don't wait. Book a free call with us. The link is below. Let's get you some real help.